Planar transformers enable slimmer profiles for reduced height chargers and adapters, with strong control of tolerancing for reliable and consistent manufacturing. To design a supply solution with planar transformer, you'll want to create a new design in PI Expert. Let's select InnoSwitch 3 EP Flyback. Now in the Design Settings window, go ahead and select the flyback transformer type, in this case, planar transformer. Then go ahead and finish. PI Expert does all the heavy lift, and the Magnetics Designer tab takes you to your transformer. Here you can visualize the construction diagram, PCB layers, winding layers, primary, secondary, and splits. Get a cross-section constructional diagram and a bird's eye top-down for all layers. You can click through the 2D PCB stack layers to analyze what the pile diagram looks like. You can customize your design in every detail. Let's start from the left. We can change the number of layers in the design from 2 to 6, and the transformer engine will update the design accordingly. In the winding layer window, you can design and modify each layer in detail. Let's modify the target density to change it from 10 to 5 and see the impact on the trace size. You can specify the distances between contiguous tracks and distance between tracks and the edge of the PCB, both internal and external. We'll modify turn-to-turn minimum distance here from 0.25 to 0.5. We can change the distance from the turns to the core internal. I'm going to change this from 0.25 to 0.75 just so that you can see it. In the Winding Properties window, we can change the coil rotation from clockwise to counterclockwise. We can also change the start pin. You'll also need to ensure EMI meets specification requirements. The Magnetics Designer provides features so that you can design for EMI mitigation. Select the appropriate layer, and then from the menu button, take action and add PCB Windings Shield. Then check the winding info and electrical diagram for pin allocation, winding turns, and names. The DC resistance and losses and RMS current can also be seen. Once you're complete, you can export the Gerber file and send the transformer for production. Just go to the menu and click Gerber Files. To get started on your design today, visit power.com.